Stop scrolling for a second. That £25 must-have item currently sitting in your online basket. You don't actually want it. You're just bored, and your brain is looking for a quick hit of dopamine. Today, we are breaking the cycle. Here are 10 rules to stop impulse buying before you go broke. First up, the 24-hour rule. If you see a trendy jacket on social media and your heart starts racing, stop. Leave the tab open and walk away. Usually, by the next morning, that must-have feeling has vanished. You don't want the jacket. You want the feeling of buying it. Rule 2. Debunk the sale myth. We've all done the maths. If these £50 boots are on sale for £30, you think you've saved £20. No, you've just spent £30 you weren't planning to spend. If it wasn't on your list before the sale, it's not a bargain. It's a trap. Rule 3. Unsubscribe from the temptation. Retailers spend millions on flash sale emails. If the notification isn't in your inbox, the urge isn't in your head, it is much easier to avoid a sale you never even knew existed. Rule 4. HALT. Never shop when you are hungry, angry, lonely, or tired. If you've had a stressful day, you're far more likely to convince yourself that a £15 takeaway or a new skin cream is well-deserved. It's not self-care, it's an expensive distraction. Rule 5. Use the hours of life calculation. Before you tap that card for a £80 dinner, ask yourself, how many hours do I actually have to work to pay for this? If you earn £20 an hour, is that meal worth 4 hours of your life sitting at your desk? Usually the answer is a flat no. Thinking of your money as time spent changes your perspective instantly. Rule 6. Pay with physical cash. Contactless payments are designed to feel invisible. When you have to physically hand over a £20 note and see your wallet get thinner, it actually triggers a pain response in your brain. That pain is what keeps your bank balance healthy. Rule 7. The 3 a.m. phone rule. Most impulse buys happen late at night when your willpower is depleted. Delete your saved card details from your phone. If you have to get out of bed, find your wallet, and type in 16 digits, you'll probably just go to sleep instead. The friction is your friend. Rule 8. The return to sender test. Imagine someone is standing in front of you with the item in one hand and the cash value, say £10, in the other. Which one would you reach for? If you take the £10, put the item back on the shelf. You want the money, not the stuff. Rule 9. Name your goals. Don't just save money. Save for the Maldives trip or my first flat. When you're about to buy something silly, ask yourself, do I want this £5 coffee, or do I want to be £5 closer to the beach? Having a bigger why makes it easy to say no. Finally, find a new hobby. We often buy things because we're bored. Replace the high of a purchase with the high of an achievement, like finishing a book, learning a language, or hitting a new personal best at the gym. If you're ready to save more this month, hit the like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense financial tips. Now, I want to hear from you. What is the most useless thing you've bought lately? I'll go first. I once spent £15 on a smart water bottle that I lost 2 days later. Tell me yours in the comments.